I've tested hundreds of AI tools this year, and all of them fail at one thing that actually ruins your content. But I've just found a new tool that will help you solve it and will actually upgrade your business's visual content. So let's dive into it. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about RevArt and how it can actually upgrade your business's visual effects. So without further ado, let's hop straight into today's video. Let's go. Okay guys, as you can see, I'm logged into RevArt right now. So please make sure that you go to app.reve.com. I only want to make sure that you go to the official website and not any other. So this is where you are going to be taking your visual content of your business to the next level. So starting off with the dashboard, it's a clean and modern design, not a lot of clutter. So you're not going to be confused and you will get straight to the point. So on the right, this is where you are going to be uploading or editing your images. You have folders right here, your work, and this is where you create more folders and you can get some inspiration from other people as well. As you can see, going through these images that look quite cool. So I'm going to be talking about exactly what it is and how to use it. So without further ado, let's get started. So RevArt is a new release and it is a completely from ground or from scratch AI image model. So in recent tests, it has been outperforming big performers like Midjourney and Flux. It's been outperforming them in these industries and it's been doing very, very good for something that is brand new like this ground up AI image builder. So basically what it does is it will render high fidelity images like this with lightning speed without having to have a lot of complicated settings or without any backend code. So that is pretty cool because you don't need to make it very complicated. It works on itself. So that's great because it's not really complicated. So if you're a beginner, this is perfect as well if you want to use it and build an AI image from the ground up. So when it comes to the AI image generator industry, usually what happens is when you ask an AI image generator to add in text, it literally adds in gibberish. So most AI image generators produce gibberish when you ask them to include text, which is absolutely simple. And that is the problem we have in this industry with the AI image generators. And that is where Rev comes in with the solution. So it actually nails the typography and it can create clear English text for social media ads and other things. It's also very legible. So as you can see, for a social media ad like this, it can create good text for even stuff like a magazine cover. And this is actually great because instead of going and jumping into Photoshop, having to add the text and waste the time, you can now do it with Rev without having to waste that extra time. You can just simply add the text straight away onto your AI image instead of having to go to Photoshop, doing it all by hand and just purely wasting your time. So that is why Rev is actually so good. Not only will it make your life easier, but it will save you lots of time. And no more guessing because the prompt of Rev is actually amazing. You can determine what goes in the foreground, the background, how the image should look. So you just have to upgrade. So you just have to upload that to the prompt or type it into the prompt and the AI will actually listen to you. It won't just blend everything together in a mix. It actually will structure it. As you can see right here, modern social media ad style, blue tones, young professional. As you can see, it did a perfect job. We did not ask to add text yet. So we can do that at a later stage where you can just add instructions and it did it perfectly. So we can determine what goes on in the foreground, the middle ground, and the background, as well as the style. And it's not just going to mix random stuff together. And it's really great because the prompt feature can actually get really, really complex and it will handle it great. So you can, for example, type in that you want a 1950s comic style image and it will generate that and nail it first try. So that's the good thing about Rev is you can be a beginner or a professional and you'll be able to use it because Rev has no limitations on how complicated and complex you can get. It is all in the limitations of your creative mind. So I'm going to go back home now. And as you can see, I'm going to scroll through some of the inspiration. So this is everything that's been made with Rev. And a great thing is the following. So no more hiring a social media agency or a designer or an editor or someone to do social media content for you, because you can now do all of this with the help of Rev. So it will save you time and money. So you don't have to go and actually hire someone to do this for you. Okay, guys, and another great thing is that they offer free credits daily. So you can actually go right now and speed up your content creation workflow and do it now, because you can get free credits daily without having to spend a dime. And that is literally how easy it is to use Rev. It's absolutely game changing, guys. I've been using it for a long time now, so make sure to go and check them out yourself. If you want to stop fighting with clunky AI generators and start creating flawless, text perfect images in seconds, head out to the link in the description and go try RevR out today and watch your content quality explode. Thank you so much for watching today's video, guys. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. If you are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss a single video we upload. And we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.